So here are some questions for you guys. So what you can guys do is you guys can start solving these questions. Okay. So let's see who solves it at the first. Okay.
Yeah, share all the answers together.
Yeah, and share
Okay.
all the answers together.
You can also disable the annotation, Nikhil.
Yeah, it's done, sir. So guys, let's see who solves it at the first. Yeah.
Uh,
What you can do, Amber, is you can just send me all the answers together because it will be very difficult for me to understand who has solved it the first. Yeah, Karthik, what you can do is you can send me all the answers at a single shot. Okay. Okay. So what about others? I mean, I'm getting answers individually. So what about others? Yeah, Angad. I think I got the answers from Angad and Amber. So I'm seeing all your comments here. So what about others, guys? Yeah, Adya. I mean, like, I got a text from Adya in private, so that doesn't matter. What you can do is, Adya, you can what you're doing currently is you're trying to solve these questions. Okay. So what you can do is you can try to solve these questions and put up the answers in the comment chat or in the chat box. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I have started getting answers. Viral. Pradyot. Okay, cool. So I think let me wait till 8 o'clock. Okay, another minute. Oh, it's already 8. Okay, let's wait for another a minute. Okay, good, cool. So what you all guys can do is you just put on a pen and a paper. Okay. So now let's start solving the problems in the Vedic way. Okay. So just put on your pen and a paper. So let's start solving it in a Vedic way. Okay, cool. So guys, when did you solve the problem? So one thing that you might have observed is there is a there is a probability that the answer that you're doing might be wrong, isn't it? So most of the times there is a probability of getting the wrong answer, but in Vedic mathematics, the probability is completely low. In the sense, you will 100% get the right answer. Okay, that's all about Vedic mathematics. So now let's start seeing the answers. I mean, let's start analyzing it one by one. How we can do it in a Vedic way, in a much simpler way. Okay. So first, let's take the first example. That is 326 times 999. Okay, 326 times 999. So what you can guys do is you guys first listen carefully. Then I got a few more examples for you to solve. Okay, so don't worry about that. And today you guys will be multiplying 13-digit number. Shakuntal Devi did. You guys will be multiplying 13-digit number into 13-digit number within 10 seconds. Okay, don't worry. You guys can do that. So first, listen carefully. The first number is 326 times 999. Okay. So there is a method of solving this in a Vedic way. There are two steps how you solve this problem. The first step is you subtract 326 from 1. Okay, that is 326 minus 1. How much is 326 minus 1? Great. So what about others? Okay, you all guys can put up your answers. Okay. Yeah. So 326 minus 1 is 325. So from the first step, you got the answer as 325. Okay. So what will the second step be? What you guys are doing in the second step is you are writing this 325. Okay. So how many digit is this 325 of? Is it a 2-digit number? Is it a 3-digit number or a 4-digit number? Great. So this is a 3-digit number, isn't it? So if it's a 3-digit number, what you're going to do is you're going to put a 3 number of dash in front of it. Okay. Just for ease. Okay. 3 number of dashes. Then what you'll do is you will subtract 9 from each digit. You'll subtract 9 minus 3. How much is 9 minus 3? Yeah, you guys need to help me to solve this. Yes, 9 minus 3 is, that's right, 9 minus 3 is 6. So I'm going to write 6 in the first one. Okay. So 9 minus 2, how much is 9 minus 2? Great, 9 minus 2 is 7. Yeah. How much is 9 minus 5? 4. So here's a surprise. Okay, the answer is 325,674. Okay, so how many of you got the right answer? 325,674. How many of you got the right answer? Great, great. So you most of you guys are getting it. So this method is called as multiplication of number with series of nines. Okay, so this method is specifically used when you're multiplying a number with series of nines. Okay, so yeah, just I'll try to explain it to you once again. Okay, so let's take another number and try to learn it. So this method you'll use it. So let's try another problem, that is 1586 times 9999. So simultaneously, who understood can try it with me. Who didn't understand, just try to listen carefully. Okay. So what's the first step? What's the first step? First step is 1586 minus 1. So how much is 1586 minus 1? Yeah, can anyone help me in that? Yeah, that is 1585. Okay. So what we're gonna do in the second step? We will write this 1585 and we will put 4 number of dash because it is a 4-digit number. So we will put a 4 dash here. Okay. Then what we will do? We will subtract 9 from each digit. 1 minus 9. How much is 1 minus 9? 8. You will write 8 here. How much is 9 minus 5? Yes, it's 4. How much is 9 minus 8 again? 1. How much is 9 minus 5 again? Oh, 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 5 is 4. So the answer is 15858414. Isn't it simple? Yeah. No carry. Okay. No memorizing the tables of 9. No problem of carry. No problem of missing a carry. Nothing. And while multiplying a number, we never use multiplication. We just use subtraction. Okay. So this is one of our method of Vedic mathematics. So how did you feel this method, guys? Yeah. Did everyone understand this? So did everyone understand this? Great. So now, what you guys can do is, you guys can start solving this. Okay. Okay. You guys can start solving this. Let's see who gives the first answer. Oh, Angad already got the answer. Yeah, Ishan, great. You got it right. Now we got it right. Great.
In fact, the
Yes.
second question has been solved incorrectly by people.
Yeah.
So Ishan and Aviral, I think just look at your second answer. I don't think anybody has actually answered it correctly. The second one.
Yeah. Yeah. So you guys are getting it somewhere wrong. You guys have to subtract it from 9. You guys are subtracting it from 10. Maybe. Yeah. I think now we're getting the right answers. Yeah. So the last one, okay. The last one is something that's creating a chaos. So let's try the last one. So it is one. Everyone listen carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here's a question. So what's the first step? First step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 minus 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Isn't it? Yeah. So how many number of digits here? So we got around 6 digits. So put 6 number of dash here. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to subtract 9 from each digit. Okay. Subtract 9 minus 1. How much is 9 minus 1? 9 minus 1 is 8. Then this 9 minus 2. How much is 9 minus 2, guys? 7. How much is 9 minus 3? 6. How much is 9 minus 5? 9 minus 5 is?
It should be 4 minus 9.
Yeah.
So it would be 5, 4, and 4.
Yeah. Yes, guys. So what we're going to do is first we are going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, subtract it from 1. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Subtract 9 from each digit. So 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 2 is 7. 9 minus 3 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay. Again, you're going to subtract 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4 and 4. Okay. So are you getting the answer? The answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 4. Are you getting it? Yeah. So did everyone understand this method? Yeah. Great. So now let me put up a number for you. Okay. Let me put up a big number for you. Let's see who answers it the first. Okay. Yes. So try this. So I think we need to add another 9 here. Okay. So now we are good to go. Try this, guys. Great. So now, can you imagine like how long would you guys take it to do it in a normal way? Yeah. See, yeah, Angad, actually, the method that we're learning, the case that we're learning is multiplication of digits, multiplication of numbers. When the numbers, when the number of digits are equal on the both the sides. Okay. So basically, there are three types. The first type is like when there are equal number of digits on both the sides. The second, say like the first method is say XYZ uh, times 999. Okay, that is the first method when there are equal number of digits. The second method is like take it as XYZ when there are more number of digits but less number of nines. And the third method is like when there are less number of nines but indeed more number of less number of digits but indeed more number of nines. Okay, so there are different methods, but indeed how it can be done is they can be solved in much simple way. Okay, there's no more difference in it. Okay, they all are absolutely same. So we are seeing the first case currently. Okay, so guys, I think I asked one question. So how much time would you guys take to solve it in a normal way? I mean this number. Even your calculators will give you the answer as E. Okay, they you need to they can't take a complete number. So how much time would you take it to do it a normal way? 2 minutes? Yeah, 4 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah. What about others? Okay. Literally, how much time did you take in solving it in Vedic mathematics? I mean, I want to know it in someone who take 1 month. Is it? Yeah. Okay. Great. See, before the class, we were counting on minutes, but now we are counting on seconds. So that's what makes the difference. Okay. So that's what makes the difference in Vedic mathematics. You normally count on seconds, not on minutes. Okay. So let's go to yes. So yes, Shilpa. I mean, yeah. So this is like multiplication of any number of and any digits with nines. Okay, with series of nines. So let's go to another question. So it is 912. Okay. No, no, Kaga. I mean, like there are no formulas to remember in this. There's nothing a formula. It's just a flow of the method how we need to remember. That's all. Okay. So guys, this is 992 square. So I think 992 square. So I think you guys did it in a school. I think you all guys have studied about squares and all, right? Yeah, so Shilpa, 12 times 99 won't be this way because that is a case 2 problem, okay? There, it has to be solved in other way. Okay, that will be studying in regular classes. Okay, the case which you have studied is like multiplication of numbers when there are equal digits on both the sides. Okay, and this 12 times 9 is literally same. Okay, so I think, okay, let's come back to the the squaring of a number. So did you all guys study how to square a number in your school? How many of you guys know what's the square of a number? Yeah. So what about others? Yes, a number multiplied by itself. Okay, that's what's the square of a number. Okay, so now it is like if it is 992 square, what you do it? You multiply 992 with 992. Okay, so this is also hectic thing. Okay, multiplying it with, because what happens is whenever you solve a problem, whenever you solve a problem, like multiplication, normal mathematics, you have to take a lot of carry. Okay, when you take a lot of carry, what happens is there's a chance of getting error. Okay, so let's study. So we normally solve it in 3 steps. Okay, so let's take a base. So 992. So I hope that you all guys know what are base numbers. Okay, what are the bases? So 992, is it's which is near to which base? Okay, we need to take a base for it. Which one? Yeah. So Angad, the formula that I written is very much complicated. Okay, so let's solve it. Let's solve it in a simple way. Yeah. So it is near to base 1000, isn't it? So the first step is we'll understand how much is it less to base 1000. 992 is how much less than base 1000? No, it's not 8 less than base 1000. Indeed, it is minus 8 less than base 1000, isn't it? Yeah. So 992 is minus 8 less than base 1000. Okay. The base is 1000. Okay. Are you guys getting it? So 992 plus 8 is nothing but 1000. Okay. Indeed, you can subtract 1000 from 998. Okay. 1000 minus 998 or 998 minus 1000. 998 minus 1000 will be getting it in a negative. So it is minus 8. Okay. So you need to understand the first step is like you need to take a base. Okay. You need to understand how much is this number more than a base or less than a base. Okay. Are you guys getting it? Yeah. So did everyone get the first step? Yeah. I'm waiting for your answers, guys. Did everyone get the first step? Great. So it is minus 992 is minus 8 less than the base 1000. So what we're doing is we will write the numbers first. Okay. Then in the second step, what we'll be doing is 992, 992, listen carefully, 992 minus the number, that is minus 8, minus 8 times the base. Getting it? So 992 minus the number that I taken, that is 992. If it is more, we'll add it. If it is less, we'll subtract it. Okay, indeed. So 992 minus 8 times 1000. How much is the answer of this? Yeah. How much is this? Yeah, great. So the answer is 984 zeros. Okay, this is answer what you're getting from the second step. Okay, now what is the third step? In the third step, what we're going to do is we'll take this again number. This number has its importance because we're going to use it in every step. So in the second step, what we want to do with this number is we'll square this. How much is the square of minus 8? 64. So the next step, what we're going to do is we will take the answer from the second step. That is nothing but 9, 8, 4, 1, 2, 3 plus 64. Okay, the answer is 984064. Okay, did you guys understand this? Yeah. How do we do it? How do we find a square of a number? And believe me, this is much simpler. Okay. So what you can guys do is now for the study purpose, we're studying it in more detail, like step 1, step 2, step 3. But once you get expertise in this, what you can do is you can find how much it is less, just subtract it, content and finish stuff. Okay. Yeah. So did there's anyone who didn't understand this? Let's repeat it once again. Who didn't get this? So you can put the the comment in the chat. Okay. So is it like you all guys are making a note of it? No, guys. No, don't make a note of it currently. You'll be getting yeah. So if it is 108, what you'll be doing is you'll be taking 1008 is plus 8 more than 1000. Okay. So the sign will be plus 8. Okay, and you'll be solving it the same way. Okay. Got it. So yes, now please don't make a note of it. We will try to solve it. The notes will be given to you. Okay, don't worry. Just concentrate on understanding it. So now 112. So let me take this 112 once again. Let's solve this. Okay. So I need help of you guys. So what do you do it in the first step? 112 square. So what do we do it in the first step? So what is the base? Base is 1000. Base is 100. You're right. So what are two numbers that we get? Is it more than how much it is more than 100? 12. Okay. That is the base is it is 12 more than 100 and the base is 100. Okay. So what we gonna do in the second step? What will you do in the second step? Great. Yeah, they are right. So 112 minus 12. Is it minus 12 or is it plus 12? Yeah, guys, it is minus 12 plus 12. Yes. So it is plus 12. Okay, it's not minus 12. Okay, it's actually plus 12. So it is actually plus 12. So let me see your comments. Yeah. So it's plus 12. So what we're going to do is we will write 112 plus 12 times 100. Getting it? So what's the answer of this? Yeah. Yeah. So see, remember, this is not a difficult thing. Okay, this is not a very difficult thing. Aram sir, you can add 12 to it and you can figure it out. Okay. Yeah. Great. Got it. So what's the answer of this, guys? Yeah. 12544. 12544. Okay. So can you try the next one now? 108 square times 98 square. Yeah. Solve the next one. 108 square. Yeah. The first answer is 11664. Second answer is 9604. Yeah. 9604. Okay. So did everyone understand this? Did everyone understand how to square a number? So I want everyone. I mean, like I think there are around 27 people in this. So I think I'm fine. I want to understand. Did everyone understand this? Yeah, great. So how did you feel this, guys? How did I think till now we have studied around two methods. So how did you feel this? How did you feel about? I think maybe you guys will start liking Vedic mathematics more than the normal way. Yeah. So actually, Vedic mathematics is very fast. Okay. Okay. Vedic mathematics is very fast. So now let's go to this. Okay. This method in Vedic mathematics is called as a crowning gem of Vedic maths. Okay. Because this method, I mean, is much simpler. I mean, if we take 45 times 98, okay, how do we do it? Take 8, multiply with the entire number, okay. Then what you guys will do is write a plus sign, then take 9, multiply with the entire number. So this will create a mess. So this method is called as a vertical crosswise method. So what we're going to do here is 45 times 98. So listen carefully, okay. So this method, you'll get answer in a single line, okay. You'll get answer in a single line, okay. So we'll get answer single line. So what we'll do first is, so how many total digits are here? 45 times 98. What are the total number of digits in this? 4. Great. So 4. So see, what you're going to do is, if there are 4 number of digits, we'll subtract 1 from 4. So how many total digits are there? Subtract 1 from 4. 3. So you'll put 3 number of dash in the first, okay? You guys will be putting 3 number of dash. So each gap will be filled, okay? Go on filling it from the right, okay? So what is the first step? How will you fill this? You will fill this by multiplying 8 and 5. How much is 8 times 5? Yeah, how much is 8 times 5? 40. Great. So what I'll do is, see, always normally whenever you are writing the answer, right, we always let the units place. So we carry the 4 and we drop the 0, okay? Angad will actually start from the right, okay? We'll start from the right. So carry 4 and drop 0, okay? We'll carry 4 and we'll drop 0. Next, what we're gonna do is, we did fill the first gap. Now we're gonna cross multiply. That is, we're gonna multiply 8 and 4 and we'll multiply 9 and 5. So how much is 8 times 4? And how much is 9 times 5? How much is 8 times 4? 32. How much is 9 times 5? 40. So always remember, whenever you're cross multiplying things, you will add them, okay? You will add the answers. So add the answers of 8 times 4 plus 9 times 5. Yeah. How much is 8 times 4 plus 9 times 5? What about others? It's 77. But I think we've missed something. Yeah. Tushkar got it right. So we're gonna add 77 plus 4. How much is 77 plus 4? Because 4 is a carrier. Is 81. We will carry 8 and we will drop 1. Okay. We'll carry 8 and we'll drop 1. Getting it? So what's the last step? The last step is we'll multiply the extreme 2 digits. We fill the first gap, I mean the right gap by multiplying the right 2 digits, the center gap by cross multiplying, the left gap by multiplying the right extreme digits. That is nothing but 4 times 9. How much is 9 times 4 or 4 times 9? 36. So what will the number that I'll be putting here? Will I put 36 or something else? I'll put 44 because I'll be adding 8 to it. So 44. The answer is 4410. I guess getting it. So this is what we have solved here, 4410. Okay. Is it simple? Isn't it simple? Other than carrying, multiplying, and all, isn't it simple? Okay. Can we also do this by yeah, we can do it. Okay. So you just try it. So now, guys, can you? So did everyone understand this? And can you try the next one now? The two examples. 78 times 19. I mean, like 78 times 88. but Aviral, I mean, like, why you want to complicate the things by subtracting that way? I mean, by multiplying again subtracting when you can get the answer in a single line. Okay, just write this and multiply it. You'll be getting answer in a single line. Okay, other than complicating things. Oh, sorry. Yeah, here's a number. You guys can try it. Oh, yeah, I think yeah, 112. Okay, so 100 you haven't got 112. So never mind. So I will after we complete all this, let's put up. I mean, I'll put up a PPT of 112, and I will try to explain it to you once again. Okay, don't worry. Okay. Okay. So what about others? I'm waiting for answers of everyone. Yeah. So guys, see, this method is called as vertical crosswise method. So this is multiplication of a two-digit number with a two-digit number. But in this method, you can multiply a two-digit number with a three-digit number, vice versa, and four-digit with a four-digit, five-digit with a five-digit. And one thing, guys, remember, first thing is like you guys will be saving papers, okay? You guys will be not solving a problem in this manner, but indeed you guys will be writing the answer in a single line, okay? So imagine like here's the answer like 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So now you guys know how many number of dash will be there. Indeed, there will be around 7 dash. Okay. So you guys will be just multiplying things here and going on writing the answer from right to left. Okay. You guys will not be wasting papers in multiplying huge numbers in vertical way. Okay. So you guys will be solving it very fast horizontally. So did everyone understand this? The vertical crosswise. So did everyone understand this? Yeah. Great. Yeah. So the answer of 78 times 88 is like 6864. The answer of 69 times 97 is 6693. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So next, what you guys will doing is let's study a problem in addition. Okay. So how many of you guys got the right answer? The first answer actually. I mean, like, let's see how many of you guys got the first answer right. I mean, like, what's the first answer you guys got in this? You got 62. Yeah. I mean, like, hope that you're not seeing this. Okay. Yeah. So how did you guys do it? Is it like you added 3 plus 2, that's 5, 5 plus 4, 4 plus 5, I mean like 10 plus, like 9 plus 5, and then you did it the same way? Yeah. So let's study how we can do it in a much simpler way, okay? So here's a number. First, it's written horizontally. Let's write it vertically, okay? So what we're gonna do is, first, I mean, here I've taken only single digit number, okay? But indeed, similarly, you can add like two-digit numbers, three-digit numbers, four-digit numbers, and all continuously, okay? So let's see how we do it in the first way. First, we will add 3 plus 4. Let's start it from the down. So let's add 3 plus 4. I want you guys to be really very quick and giving me the answers. Okay, I'm seeing your chat here. I'm seeing your chat here, so I want your answers to be very quick. So how much is 3 plus 4? 7. How much is 7 plus 5? Oh, you lost it. Yeah, 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay. So remember, guys, at this point, at this number 5, after adding 3, 4, and 5, we got it as 12. Okay. So whenever you're getting something 10 or more than 10, we will draw a line and we will drop a 10 here. So out of 12, if you're dropping a 10, how much is remaining with you? 2. So you will carry that 2. So 2 is remaining. Add 2 plus 4. How much is 2 plus 4? 6. 6 plus 5? 11. So what will we be doing here now? It is 10 and more than 10. What will we be doing here? Yeah, we'll drop a 10, we'll draw a line, we'll drop a 10, and we'll carry 1. So again 1. 1 plus 9 is how much? 10. So will we draw a line or will we skip it? Yeah, it's 10. So we'll draw a line, we'll drop the 10 and it's 0. Okay, it's 0. So we will carry 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. So 5 plus 7 is 12. So we'll draw a line and we will take it as 12. Okay. We'll drop a 10 again. We'll take it as 2. So 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. So we'll draw a line. Well, again, we'll carry 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So we'll draw a line and drop a 10 here. So at last, a number that is remaining to us is 2, isn't it? So there's nothing to add. So take this 2, put it down here. Okay. And count how many number of lines did you draw. How many number of lines did you draw here? 6. So write 6 here. So the answer is 62. Okay. Getting it? So if you get the answer, you must be very quick. Add it, draw a line, add it, draw a line, add it, draw a line, and just put it down. Okay. Don't go on adding 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. Okay. That's not going to happen. Okay. Just go on adding it, draw a line, go on and draw a line, write the number, write the remainder, count the number of lines, and write it. Okay. This is the way, this is the simplest way we can do it. So did everyone understand this addition? This called as is a very quick addition. Okay. Did everyone understand this? No, Mikul. I mean, I did try to explain it to you, so that's the reason it took time. But when you guys are adding it, it will not take time because adding numbers from 1 to 10 won't take that time. Okay, because if you go on adding it different way, it will take a lot of time. Okay, and then this method will be helpful. This method will be helpful if you're adding a four-digit numbers. Like if there are 10 4-digit numbers, it will be very helpful. Okay, different way. So did everyone understand this? Okay, so Ashish, let's do it once again. Okay, let me take another random number here. Okay, so let's take 8, 6, 7, 2, 5, 4, 3. Oh, sorry, 3. Again 6, again 7, again 4. So let's try this now. So guys, be very quick. Yes. Angad, it works for 4-digit numbers and it even works for n number of digits. Okay. So, but there's a different way in it. Okay. But the small change that we need to do. So first, guys, 4 plus 7. How much is 4 plus 7? 11. Draw a line. 1 plus 6. 7. 7 plus 3. How much is 7 plus 3? Oh, 10. Draw a line. Carry 0. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11, isn't it? Draw a line. Carry 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 6 is how much? 14. Draw a line. Then 4 plus 9 is how much? 4 plus 5 is how much? 9. Great. So write 9 here. How many number of digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 49. Are you guys getting it? Great. So guys, try these two examples now. Let's see. Yeah. Ishan, the first answer is 68. Let's see what about others. Okay, great. So I think most of them are getting the answers. Okay. So now, what shall we do is, yeah. So before we start this, there's some people who didn't understand. We didn't understand 112, right? So who didn't understand 112? Yeah. So do you want me to repeat it once again? Who didn't understand 112? Oh, Kaushal. Okay. We were really sorry for that, Kaushal.
So no worries, Kaushal. I think, see, anyway, this entire thing is going to be repeated again in the regular classes. So in case you have missed out today's session, so don't worry about this. One, I think the video recording would be available. So you can just WhatsApp at the number that Aarti is going to be sharing. So you would have access to this video recording. And second thing is that this topic, all these topics actually, they are going to be taken in the regular classes also.
So, guys, I mean, those who didn't understand 112, right? I'm sharing the PPT for you. I mean, the normal syllabus PPT. So, you guys can do it. See, this is the one, okay, that we were talking about. So, this is the one about 112 that we were talking about. So, here it is. So, what we guys gonna do at the first is like we will take 112. So, 112 is 12 times more than it. 112 is 12 times more than the base 100. So what you guys gonna do is we're gonna get 112 plus 12 multiplied with 100, it's 124. Then square this 112, that is 144. Add 12400, 144. The answer is 1512544. Okay, this is the way we're gonna do it. But don't worry, we're gonna share the complete notes for you all. Okay, we will share a complete notes for you all the things that we will do. So as you guys can, I mean, might be you guys have had a look at your syllabus, but I mean, Vedic mathematics carries a lot of things: square and square roots, huge numbers, multiplication, then division. So the tricks that you're learning in Vedic mathematics, you can apply it to n numbers. Okay, it's not like only for 2, 3 numbers. You can apply it to n numbers, and you can try different things. Okay, there's rapid addition. I mean, you can have a look at a syllabus. Even we are planning to cover up your algebra. We're trying to cover up linear equations, quadratic equations, different things. And there's a very interesting topic at the last. It's called as calendars. Okay. So this method was actually discovered by Shakuntala Devi. Imagine if I give you a date, okay, like 18th April. So any year, like 1865. So you guys will be able to say which day was this. Was it a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? So it's something extra that planning to add up to your syllabus of advance. So you guys can even see which day was that.